Hello friends, it's time for another thrilling tech roundup. What are we talking about today? A flying machine that will change how we think about flight, an incredible boat that literally glides over water, and China has shocked the world with a new megatunnel. I'll be talking about all this and much more, right? A transformative table. A cutting-edge table developed by the Massachusetts Technology Lab adapts its surface dynamically to interact with users and their environment. Powered by 1,000 plastic rods connected to separate motors, the table can create trays, tablet stands, or even wave-like signals based on the context. It operates through real-time calculations, reacting to its surroundings to enhance convenience and creativity. China's 13-mile ice tunnel. China's ambitious Xinjiang Highway project includes a record-breaking 13-mile tunnel through icy rock. Using a 1,800-ton advanced drilling machine, the tunnel will pass through 16 geological fracture zones and endure extreme conditions. Once complete, it will halve the travel time between Urumqi and Jiayu, promoting trade and connectivity in Central Asia and beyond. Robots with spider-like mobility. Revolutionary four-legged robots with symmetrical designs offer unprecedented agility. These robots can walk, run, and jump, while one leg serves as an arm for tasks like pressing buttons or picking up objects. The adaptable design allows them to function effectively in various environments, including urban spaces. AI-driven quadcopters. New drones from Andil Industries require minimal human input. Equipped with AI, they can navigate, surveil, or even deliver small explosive payloads. Compact and efficient, these drones can be launched within minutes and are controlled using a simple touchscreen interface, making them ideal for various operations. Electricity from plants. Plani has harnessed the power of living plants to generate electricity. Using anode and cathode systems near plant roots, this innovation powers streetlights and could be scaled for home use. This eco-friendly technology represents a new frontier in sustainable energy. Field pellet machines. A new field machine transforms leftover straw into dense pellets for heating or feed directly in the field. The portable device compresses straw efficiently, reducing logistical costs and waste, making it an invaluable tool for modern agriculture. Multitasking. Agricultural machines. The Universal Unmanned Module developed by Krone and Lin offers versatile farming solutions. With interchangeable attachments, it can plow, sow, and rake. Operating remotely and powered by a hybrid engine, this innovation ensures efficient, year-round farming. Precision cabbage harvester. A new attachment for tractors automates cabbage harvesting with remarkable care. Using torpedo-like grips and sensors, it lifts, trims, and conveys cabbage with 99% accuracy, significantly reducing manual labor while preserving crop quality. Hydrofoil boats. Hydrofoil boats, equipped with underwater wings, hover above the water for minimal resistance and speeds up to 4 times faster than traditional sailboats. Pedal-powered hydraulics control the sails, combining athleticism and engineering for optimal performance. Cyc rotors. Cyc rotor technology introduces cylindrical rotors instead of flat blades for compact, precise flying devices. These machines excel in tight spaces, making them ideal for urban environments, emergency services, and deliveries. Expert tents. Innovative semi-spherical tents equipped with solar panels provide electricity, shading, and waste treatment. Featuring smart home integration, these tents redefine outdoor luxury, combining eco-friendliness with modern conveniences. Full-page Braille. Tablet. The University of Michigan has developed a Braille tablet capable of displaying full pages, including graphics. Using pressurized liquid to create raised symbols, this device is affordable and transformative for visually impaired users. Agile humanoid robots. A new generation of humanoid robots from Shanghai features high-torque motors and modular designs. Capable of assisting with household tasks, patient care, and manufacturing, these robots exemplify the future of robotics with their precision and adaptability. Medical robots with hybrid mobility. medical robots featuring wheels and legs offer enhanced mobility in care settings. With sensors and intelligent control systems, these devices assist with patient transfers and daily tasks, improving care for the elderly and disabled. Versatile rescue boats. Hydrolift's innovative boat design offers stability in rough seas and customizable configurations. With powerful engines and advanced materials, these boats support rescue missions, passenger transport, and specialized tasks like firefighting. Adjustable diameter wheels. New wheels with variable circumferences optimize robot movement. These wheels adapt their size for different terrains, improving obstacle navigation and enabling quick, precise turns for enhanced robotic functionality. Grasshopper, blueberry harvester. The grasshopper harvester simplifies berry picking with a scoop mechanism that collects and sorts blueberries efficiently. Capable of handling up to 12,000 pounds of berries daily, this innovation revolutionizes agricultural productivity. Dorner robot arms. Dorner's upgraded robotic arms are safer and more powerful, handling tasks like packaging and conveyor operations. With improved motors and boundary detection, these robots enhance efficiency in tight spaces. Lightfar Orion. A motorized suitcase with joystick controls, Lightfar Orion offers autonomous movement, cruise control, and emergency braking. Its compact design makes it a game changer for travelers seeking convenience. Roo electric car. Swiss engineers introduced Roo, a lightweight electric car designed for urban environments. Affordable and efficient, it offers a 40-mile range and a compact design ideal for navigating narrow city streets. Cobot tile laying. Robots. China's Cobot excels in precise tile installation, maintaining consistency even on uneven walls. This highly specialized robot can work 24/7, transforming construction workflows with unparalleled accuracy. Hybrid Flex Pavilion. This exhibition pavilion combines flax fiber and recycled materials for a sustainable structure. Its unique design highlights resource efficiency and new possibilities for eco-friendly architecture. Inflatable concrete domes. Austrian researchers developed a method for creating concrete structures without support beams. Using inflatable forms, this technique is cost-effective and produces uniform, crack-free designs with applications ranging from bridges to domes. Sailrite electric cutter. This cordless rotary cutter is perfect for precise fabric cutting. Lightweight and versatile, it features multiple modes, safety enhancements, and built-in blade sharpening, making it ideal for tailors and hobbyists alike. Ronin lift. The Ronin lift enables professionals to ascend structures safely and efficiently. With hands-free braking and a robust design, it's an indispensable tool for workers in construction and maintenance industries. With these 25 revolutionary gadgets, technology continues to push boundaries, making everyday life more efficient, sustainable, and innovative.